In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an MKV file to an MP4 using a fantastic and free tool called Handbrake. This is incredibly useful if you need a more universally compatible video format, especially since MP4 files work seamlessly across a wide range of devices and platforms. Let's dive into the process so you can start converting your files with ease. First, you'll want to open Handbrake on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, simply head over to their official website and download the version suitable for your operating system. Once installed, launch the program and you'll be greeted with the main interface. Now it's time to load your MKV file. Do this by clicking on File under the Source heading, which will open a File Explorer window, allowing you to navigate to the location of your MKV file. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker method, you can simply drag and drop your MKV file directly into the main interface of Handbrake and it will begin loading. Next, you need to select MP4 as your output format. To do this, navigate over to the Summary tab. Here you'll see various options for output containers, but for today's tutorial, go ahead and select MP4. This is crucial for ensuring your video is in a widely supported format once converted. Once the format is set, you might want to customize some video settings to meet your specific needs. Handbrake provides options to adjust the frame rate, bitrate, and resolution. These parameters can impact the quality and size of your video, so take a moment to consider what's most important for your project. If you're unsure of what settings to choose, you might want to consider using a preset. Handbrake offers presets that can help balance the trade-off between file size and video quality. These presets are especially useful if you're converting videos for a specific device or platform. Before we start the conversion, you need to decide where the new MP4 file will be saved. Do this by clicking on the Browse button, and you'll be able to select a destination folder on your computer. This helps keep your files organized, ensuring you know exactly where to find your converted video. Finally, with all your settings in place, it's time to start the conversion process. Simply click on Start Encode, and Handbrake will begin converting your MK file to an MP4. The time it takes will depend on the size of your file and the settings you've chosen, but in no time, you'll have a freshly converted MP4 file ready to use. And that's it, you've successfully converted your MKV file to an MP4 using Handbrake. This tool is not only powerful but also very user friendly, making it an excellent choice for all your video conversion needs. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.